Hi everyone. So today we have this old two-stroke 900-watt generator, and I bought this from a local seller. He said that this generator has been sitting in his garage for a very long time, and from the condition it's not looking very good. The spark plug wire, it's bulged up. Let's take a look at the gas tank. The cap seems to be rusted, and so does the tank. So there's a lot of rust inside of the gas tank, and I only hope that this clears up. So the aim is to completely restore this generator. So let's bring it to the table and start working on it. So I couldn't find the exact model number or the brand name of this generator. All I could find on the web was it seems to be a Chinese clone of Yamaha ET950 generator, and that generator was launched around the 90s. So if this generator was launched around the same date, it's basically 35 years old. So it's gonna be a challenge. So the rotor looks very good. There are no broken wires or anything. So yeah, we're up to a very good start. Taking out the stator, the same story. So there are no rips or breaks in any wires. So the stator looks very nice. So good. The crankshaft looks perfect. There's a little side to side play, but no top to bottom play. So yeah. So these are all the parts of the small machine. Now looking at all these parts, I can tell there's a lot of work to do. First, taking a look at the crankcase, let me show you. There's a small crack in this part of the crankcase, and also another part of the crankcase. It has this bogie welt. On the other side, this head looks decent. There are no deep scratches. There are some minor scratches, but nothing to worry about. So we may have to undergo the honing process. The carb is too far gone. We'll have to replace it. The crankshaft, it is decent. The piston is decent, and the fuel tank, you already know it. It has a ton of rust in it. So first, what we are gonna do is we're gonna wash all of these parts with hot soapy water, and then we'll continue further. After washing all the components except the stator and rotor with the hot water, what we're gonna do is we'll take a wire wheel and an angle grinder and go through all these components. A 5-minute wire wheeling job is totally worth it. It's gonna make the aluminium shine again and basically make it look like new. So yeah, totally recommend it. Do it. I hope you can see the difference. It's looking brand new. So let me do it to all of the parts and we'll continue. So I'm done wire wheeling all the parts. They're shining up pretty nice and basically looking new. But we'll have to stop the video right here as I have placed an order. Right now I do not have the adequate components which are required to assemble this engine, like the rubber seals and the bearings. So we'll have to wait until those parts arrive. For now we'll have to stop the video right here. So thanks and keep watching and wait for the next part.